Quickly, I'm going to show you 7 projects that are backed up by Ton. That is, you get rewarded in Ton and you can withdraw instantly. Yes, 7 of them. Recently, I shared it on my community. I shared the 7 of them in my community on Telegram. And if you're not yet in the Telegram community, you're missing out big time, because this is where I share updates as it drops. And recently, we've started a series, a 30 days boot camp on how to get remote jobs in 2026. That is, I'm sharing with you my blueprint of how I got remote jobs in 2026 and how I've been getting a remote job all along. So without wasting much time, if you have not yet joined the Telegram channel, the link is going to be in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment. So these are 7 projects that are backed up by Ton, and you get paid in Ton and you can withdraw instantly. The first on my list is toncoin or Questo. This particular one embodies other apps. It's like the home base of other Ton app. So the link is going to be in the description box of this video or in the Telegram channel. You click on this open and it's going to open just like your regular airdrop projects or mini app on Telegram, just like this. So you can see that I am in level 7 and have 995 exp over 1200. So once I get 1200, I'll be going to level 8, and then so far I've earned 0.3 ton. I've earned 0.33 ton, and then I can withdraw once it is 1 ton. For this particular project, the minimum withdrawal is 1 ton. So this is how the interface looks like. If you come here, you're going to see today's tax. So the first thing you want to do is come down to today's tax. You are going to check in. Once you check in, you're going to get 40 exp, and then you come here, you click on claim. Then the next thing is you're going to see 40 exp, congratulations, reward claimed. Then the next thing is you're going to see join 3 apps, and once you've done that, you click on check. Now you do not need to join app every day. Now look at this portion here. These are featured apps. So the next thing you're going to do is to come here and click on view all, and then these are the apps. You just go under the N tab, and for me, I only work with these apps that are under the N version. Don't worry, we'll come back to them. So once you do any of this app or you log into any of this app, it's going to reflect, it's under this play games, and then you can now come back to today's tax and you're going to claim it. So let's do that. So the first one is toncoin. Now the next app I'm going to talk about is this tonow. This is the second app that is backed up by Ton, and they're going to pay you in Ton. Now this tonow is a Ton backed up project that pays you for creating content about them, and it's very, very simple. So look at it. It is under the toncoin. It pays you for creating content about them. So once you are here, just click on open tonow. Then it's going to load the interface, going to load the mini app, and you create projects, you create post content for them on X, on Facebook, on TikTok, and then you submit the link and you will get paid. So you need to join their Telegram channel so that you see the next post or the post that you're supposed to engage on. So if I go to channel, you are going to see that it's going to answer that you can create posts. Let's say I want to create a particular post right now on X. I'll just come here and click on this. I'll look at it, and then I'll copy the content. I'll create a post and I'll go and submit my tax. I'll submit it here under this tonow, and it's going to reflect. Right, so you also need to like invite friends, but do the daily task of creating posts and also do this task. So this is the second project, tonow. So I'm back to my toncoin, and you can see that under this place that is showing play apps, this particular place showing play app is showing 1/3. That means I've already opened 1 app. I'm still going to open more app. I'll click on the apps, and you see I have done 1 task out of the 3 apps, remaining 2 more. So I'm going back again to the home page of my toncoin, and then I'm going to click on featured apps, and the next app I'm going to be introducing to you is this one called Banana Town. Now this Banana Town is also its own backed up project or an app where you get paid in Ton, and it's also another Ton backed up project. So once you click on the link in the description box of this video or the link in the Telegram community, you're going to land here. These are very, very simple apps, mini apps on Telegram, and all you need to do is to harvest the bananas. Yes, you're going to see here it's showing daily harvest 100 over 100, and then you'll be able to exchange your bananas for Ton once it gets to a particular bananas that you've harvested. So let's say we have 100 over 100. All you need to do is to come down here and tap on this to harvest. So I'm just going to be tapping, and the more you are tapping, you are going to see that the daily harvest here, this daily harvest here is going to be reducing. So it comes to 0 over 100. Yeah, and it's going to be adding up to this particular kg or kilogram of bananas. So this is the third app that pays you in Ton, that your reward can be converted to Ton. So I'm going to close that now, and I'm going to go back to tonquest. So under the tonquest, you can now see that we've opened 2 apps today under the daily tasks. So the next app is still under tonquest, and it is called the Egg Factory. Now this Egg Factory is also another Ton backed up project or mini app within the tonquest app that pays you in Ton. So if I click on the Open Egg Factory, it's going to open the mini app, and all I need to do is to collect egg every day. This is the fourth app, which is the Egg Factory, and all you need to do is just to click on the link in the description box of this video or the link in my first pinned comment, or join the Telegram platform. And then once you click on the link, it's going to bring you here, and all you need to do is just to come here every day and collect eggs just like that. Yes, I've collected the one for today. So after doing this, I'm just going to close the app, and I'm going to go back to my tonquest, and you can see this place that's showing play games is showing me 3 over 3. In other words, I have logged in or checked in into 3 apps within this tonquest today. So I will now come down here and click on this particular place to check, and it's going to confirm that, and I'm going to click on claim, and yes, I've automatically claimed 60 EXP. So the other thing is to invite your friends. You come here, you copy your link, and you invite your friends. So these are 3 apps within the tonquest app that you can start earning Ton with. Now the next or the 5th app is the one they call Wool Rush. This particular one also earns you Ton. You can convert your earnings into Ton. So you click on the Open Wool, and then it's going to open the mini app of Wool Rush. What to do is to come here every day and look at your stock. It actually works automatically, works in the background. You can decide to upgrade your cutter or shearers or whatever this is, and then you do that by playing the tonquest app, which is the one that embodies all these other apps, and then you invite 3 friends, and once it's done that, you can upgrade the app, or you upgrade for 0.50 Ton, and that's how this just works. You just need to log in every day and watch your stocks. Once your stock is up to 1,000, you can exchange it for 1 Ton. Click on the sell. It said I should invite 5 friends. So once I invite 5 friends, I'll be able to sell. So this is one of those games or mini apps on the tonquest app that earns you Ton. I can convert it to Ton. I get your money in real time. So the next one is the 6th one under the tonquest is this Honest Swap. This Honest Swap pays in Ton. So once you click on it, it's going to open the Honest Swap mini app just as such, and then all you need to do is just to log in daily. There are no ceremonies to it, and it is not difficult. You can invite your friends, and it also pays you in Ton. You click on the play button. And once you click on the play button, it's going to bring you here. Okay, I have 1,000 pollings. So 1,000 honey pollings is equals to 1 ton, but you need about 30,000 of that before you can withdraw. So you see, you need 30,000 pollings to unlock and get reward. So these are the apps in 2026 and June 2026 that are backed up by ton and pays your rewards you in ton. Now the seventh one is not in the toncoin app. The seventh one is a standalone project or a standalone ton project too. It's called MindQuest. You'll see all this in the description box of this video or when you join the Telegram community. And the link to join the Telegram community is always in the description box of this video. So this is MindQuest. You just come and you click on Mine. Mind you, this particular ton project shows ads, but that is just part of it. All you need to do is to invite friends and then log in daily and you earn. Then once you've gotten to the criteria, you can convert that to ton and you withdraw it instantly into your ton wallet. So this is it, MindQuest. So this MindQuest, this is how the interface looks like. See, this is an ad. You just need to wait for this countdown to finish showing, and once the countdown has finished showing, you just come down here and click on this continue. So you come down here, click on continue. It's going to try to pop up some ad, and all you need to do is just to press the back button of your device once, or you cancel and to bring you back here. And you just need to log in daily to click here to start mining. So you can come here and click on the team and you can invite your friends. You get your referral link here, you invite your friends. So the more people you refer, the more power you're going to have to mine, right? So, and your referrals must all start mining before you start earning. If they don't start mining, you're going to see something like this, pending, right? And if they started mining, you're going to see valid. So they must log in to start mining. So you just click on the power icon to mine every day. So these are the 7 projects that are backed up by ton and pays you in ton. Yes, you can convert your earning. You convert your earning to ton and you withdraw instantly. Yes. So I talked about MindQuest. I talked about tonquester, which consists of 4 to 5 apps. I talked about tonow. This tonow is the one that make you create content and they pay you per content. I talked about wool rush. I talked about egg factory. I talked about banana town. I talked about honest swap and of course tonquester itself. So let me know the app you are already on. Let me know how far you have gone, and if you have questions, always feel free to ask in the comment section. I will respond to you personally. And also remember to join the Telegram community, because that is where you get answers quickly. You get updates before it gets casted. So that is all for me for today. See you in another episode. Bye for now.